We're high on life.
We got high on life, nigga. Shit, man. What you got? Quaid, how was racing this weekend?
Racing was good there, dude.
How was racing, Jordan?
How are your sponsors?
Pretty good. I'm interviewing myself.
Let me see it.
Sorry.
We're
I gotta pimp it out.
here with second place
Like
finisher. We're here with second place finisher Harry Balls on you. How's the track this weekend?
It was a little slick out there. It was like almost like my asshole.
How's the bike working? It was speak into the mic, please.
It was running pretty good, but I had an old spunk muffin, that was called, and I got my energy going. And I had my Red Bull.
Okay, shut up on that question. Alright. I saw you come together with a couple of riders out there. Do you just like touching people, or is that,
No, man,
is that just your
I play
style?
grab ass all over this.
That's just your style?
It's my style. It's how I roll. I just whack over the tabletop. Scrub them. I scrub them, put it right in the freaking ass.